Hey everybody, I'm going to show you this groovy little site called Texting Chat Animator, or it's a texting story maker. Kind of a fun little site here. You're able to put in up to 4 avatars and be able to simulate a text message. So I simply put in mine by clicking this little blue icon right here and added another one. And then you put in the text of what you want to do here, and then you just use the drop down of which person you want to say that. And as you're composing the text, you can see that there's preview text of what the chat is going to look like. I wouldn't recommend a huge long thing with this, but it's kind of a cool, neat thing to do a little bit of a story or to kind of make something for students to do. When you get done putting your text in, you can do this record animation, and I've already done that. And notice that the save video, it makes a WebM file, but also turn on save as a GIF or GIF, however you want to pronounce it. And then after a while it'll render, and then you can actually download these video WebM or the GIF. I think the GIF is more usable because then you can drop it like in a Google Slides or even into Canva or into anywhere you want to. And I already did that, so you can see that it downloaded the chat animation not only as the WebM file but the GIF file, and I can open that chat animation up and you can see that it makes this awesome little GIF that I could pop anywhere. So I hope you enjoyed seeing about Chat Animator, and I think this is a super fun site to be able to use not only for your materials but for your students to use as well.